Hey you guys, what's good? Jay Fish here, and today I'm gonna show you all the basic steps for Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get right into this video. And once you're on this screen, what you want to do is click on new project and title it whatever you want. Let's do tutorial. Press OK. Now once you're here, okay, this is telling me that I don't have my headphones plugged in, so I'm gonna just fix that real quick. What you want to do is double click on the import media part. So now what you want to do is just choose all your clips that you want. I have linked some footage if you guys want to go check it out. Press import and let it import real quick. Alright, once you have all the footage imported, what you can do is just make this bigger and press command, hold up one sec, press command A. You hold the left button of the mouse and then bring them onto the timeline on over here. What Premiere has done is that all your footage is just put all of them together. If you press plus, it zooms in your timeline, and if you press minus, it zooms out. You can also press /, that just zooms in a little bit for you. Let's say you just want to play a video, right? Without bringing it to the timeline, what you do is double click on the footage, whichever one you want to play, and you can just press spacebar and it should play for you. You press C is to cut. You press V to get back to the normal mouse, and you can select multiple tracks just like that, just holding the left button on the mouse and just going around. You can also press backspace or delete on Mac to remove the track that you don't want, and press command Z to bring it back. So what Premiere does is it has different types of workspaces that suit you. If you want to do assembly, you can go in this one, and then you can just assemble your footage however you want. In editing, once you assemble all your clips, you just want to go and edit out everything. If you go to effects, right, you can put like transitions. This is a shortcut. If you have two clips that you want to put a transition to, you press command D and it should do that for you. You can also click on it and then make it however long or short you want. You can also get other transitions and add them to Premiere Pro. If you have any presets that you want to bring them into Premiere Pro, you right click on the presets in effects tab, you go to import presets, and you just choose wherever it is and then you press open. That's it, simple as that. If you want to add an effect onto your video, you just hold it and then drag it on just like that. So you press I to put an in mark, you press O to press an out mark. When you press enter, what it does is just renders it for you, so you don't see no laggy stuff. You're gonna see how it is after it's exported. Also, you press option X to clear the in and out, and if you want to put a marker, what you do is press M, and then what you want to do is press command R. So if you have a clip that you want it in slow-mo, or if you want to make it faster, you change the speed from 100 to 0. You can bring it down. That's gonna slow it down for you, meaning the clip is gonna be a lot longer. And you press command R again. If you want to make it fast, you just do 1000. 1000 is a little too much, but if you want, you can just go with it too. If you want to change the volume for audio, what you do is press G. Just set it accordingly. So let's say you accidentally just removed your timeline, right? Whichever one has this icon on it, you just double click and then you're gonna get your thing back. See how there's space here? Let's say you want to remove it and then just join the two clips together without missing the music out, right? You see this lock icon, you press that, and then your track just gets these lines over it. So what you do is from in and out, you just press command 1 and then there you go. And if there is a shortcut that you want to know, you just go to Premiere Pro, you go to keyboard shortcuts, and you can just search up the shortcut. Let's say you want to put a text on top of your screen, right? You press T on your keyboard, you just click on your screen, and now you can just type everything, right? And then let's say you want to change anything from it, you go to effects control over here. If you guys don't see effects control, you go to Windows, you go to effects controls right there, and then you press that, or you can press shift 5. And over here what you want to do is go to the text, and now you can just change the font what you want, and you can also mess with the size, how big you want it, and you can also change the color of it to whatever color you want. So let's say you want to resize the image, right? What you do is right click on it, go to set to frame size, and it just makes it short for you. And then if you guys don't want that, you can just bring up the scale and you can mess with the positioning. Let's say you just got rid of your timeline. So what you do is you go to Windows, you go down, and then you go until timeline, you press that, you just make it bigger. And see how you don't have the sequence there no more? What you do is you go to project, you go to footage, and you go to one of the footage that has this icon on it. You just double click on it, and there you go, you got your timeline back. So let's say you're done everything and you just want to export your project, right? What you do is you press Command M, and then you go to format, you change it to H.264, and over here the preset, you can change it to YouTube 1080p, and in the video section scroll down and then make sure you click render at maximum depth, and over here use maximum render quality. And yeah, so what you do is you press export, and there you go. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions and whatnot, you can just comment them down below, or you can just send them to me on Instagram at G_ZOfficial. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you were able to learn something from this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe right here, if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.